Hi everybody, this is Robert Cho again from Asia Pacific Gardening. Today we're going to study the tree, how to maintain your juniper in the summertime. You need to maintain that, otherwise the tree going down the quality. And even the small one like this. Look at the tree, this beautiful tree, but inside here now so far so good. But I would like to show you. So if the light on the top like this, you can see here inside the tree is not going to get enough light, so that pretty soon they're going to turn brown. Okay, even if you're looking at from the other side, if our sunlight from this side here, look at this inside here, it's not going to get the good enough light. We want to get the better light, and later on after we're pruning, you can see better light for the in general, so tree will be look healthy. I would like to compare with the outside juniper right now, so you can see the juniper landscape juniper, same thing, is outside is green but inside is maybe not good. So let's go take a look. This is very good example. The tree, this is juniper outside for the landscape. You see outside how green is it, but if you're looking at the inside the tree, because there's no light, see here all brown color, and also because this is no air. You can see the only green on the top, but the inside is brown. We don't want your bonsai look like this, only green on the outside. So we want to see the structure of the tree. That's what we're going to do. This is the general juniper. They always bushy, and like example, they have a branch trunk go anywhere like this, or anywhere like this. This is the soil level right here. Okay, so this part here, a lot of time there's a lot of needle growing right here, and also right here, also right here. This area we want to clean up, this stuff that get the branches and develop right here, between here, keep some space to breathe, and so the airflow can go through. This part here, this part here, this part here, also you need to clean it up. So the apex part right here, you need to study the tree. We try to get the apex on this area right here. So we want to get the triangle shape if you could, and depend on the tree what you have, but you need to clean up this part right here, and this part right here, this part right here. Let them clean, 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 and clean, and clean. So this one, hopefully they can continue to develop. This one can continue to develop. Also this one here continue to develop. Of course, right here you can do a lot of detail right here. This part here also is very important. Before you start maintaining the juniper in front of you, and you need to get the basic tool, glove, scissors, knob cutter, concave cutter, and other tools that's standby. We may need it, but if you're working with the big one, then you probably need another tool. Remember, I tell you the cloth is very important, because try to pull this needle off from the middle. Remember on the photo like that earlier we're talking about. So in between right here, look at this here. So just pull this off. You can see we open up. Same thing right here, we open up. See here, this is the one we want to open up. Now we're looking at the top one. Anything from the bottom, we don't need that bushy, and we want to clean it up. The bottom right here, if we need it, then we use the scissors. Like example, this one here, so I'm going to prune by the scissors right here, and anything hitting down, we open up. Then we can go step by step. Look in the bottom here, start turning brown right now. So Not that difficult. Just use your finger, pull the juniper like this. Okay, see here, by hand. Because if you're cutting like juniper like this by scissors, most likely this one will be turned brown. Okay, I prefer to go like this and it looks better. And they already looks the structure, and we want to step by step to open up. You can use your two hand. Anything on the bottom, cleaning up. Anything close to this joint right here, also we need the cleaning up. So give them some space in between. I saw the one big branches is too low right here. Look at this part here. So I'm going to remove these branches to open up. Here you go. This is what we want to open up. We still continue to working on it. And this one here, probably see here, a lot of juniper, when the green is mean this is the new grow, you may consider remove it or keep it. It depends on what you want to develop. Like this here, see here, a lot of really green new shoot right there. Right here, you can see this is new green. Just cut it up because this is hard to pull by your hand. Again, right here, we just pull it out. So we open up a little bit more. And this one here, under. So this is just a general maintenance for to open up the tree, not go to the very detail, but your tree get the light in general looks better. Just here on the under the bottom right here also is very busy, so we don't need that much branches under right here. Same thing right here. You can see here is really busy, still very busy right here, and also a lot of branches right here. Remember what we're talking about, the cleanup, this area here, which is the same like we're talking about right here. So we need to open up this section, this section, this section here, and the lower part just delete it, you know, cutting back. So the tree, of course, is a different tree, but you can wire this up a little bit. You can plant it different angle. And this one probably too long, you can cut it back. That's another detail you need to do. But this video showing you open up the juniper, otherwise inside will be turned brown, not healthy. Now this is the summertime, how to maintain your juniper. You can open up like this, you can do wiring, but not recommend to touching the root system because that very dangerous. So hopefully you like this information right here. If you think this information help, and you're welcome to share with your friend and tell your friend watch this video. Hopefully it can help them a little bit. And thank you for watching this video again. And this is Robert from Asia Pacific Gardening. Remember, subscribe and put like. So hopefully we can provide all different information for your reference. Thank you again.